Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. In this lecture we will discuss the past paper question based on presentation skills. So which of the following is the most common cause of a bad presentation? A presentation without structure is compared to dash. What is the best way to use slides in a presentation? Which of the following keeps the audience engaged? What is the main purpose of rehearsal before a presentation? Misuse of technology in a presentation often leads to dash. Which of the following is not a feature of a good presentation? Emotional intelligence in a presentation means dash. Which of the following can make your presentation boring? A culturally sensitive presenter should dash. Failure to address audience needs result in dash. Which of the following is an example of poor audience engagement? A good presentation slide should usually contain dash. What is the key difference between good and bad presentation delivery? Which of the following helps make a presentation unforgettable? सो व्यूअर्स, आई हैव सॉल्व ऑल दीज MCQs एंड द फॉलोइंग लेक्चर। अगर किसी ने अभी तक देखा नहीं है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका लिंक मौजूद है, वहाँ जाके आप देख सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर ज़रूर कीजिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। अल्लाह हाफिज़।